Hi vlog, so I'm back in Jamaica. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Esther, and on this channel I do lifestyle content, fashion content, and I just do a little bit of everything. So today is Sunday and I just left the gas station. First I was at the supermarket. My boyfriend bought me some groceries and then went to the gas station. He filled my tank and now I am driving back home. I really wanted to vlog in the supermarket, but honestly it's my time of the month and I just really wasn't into, I just couldn't bother. Honestly, that's the best way I can describe how I'm feeling. I just couldn't bother take out the camera and start vlogging. So guys, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed and so grateful because I never told you guys this, but I'm going to tell you guys now. A couple months ago I was in a car accident. So I want to tell you, say, when I was in the accident, I was literally so focused on the road. I'm normally focused on the road and I don't text and drive. The most I do, I have my GoPro in my hand, and my GoPro is like set up on a tripod stand, and most of the time that I'm vlogging in my car, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't even really look into the camera too tough. I just kind of have it up so you guys can see me. But yeah, on that day I was literally just driving home, well focused. Was on a main road and there was this other car traveling in the opposite direction, and then him just turned in front of me. I saw him coming down in the opposite direction. I was approaching a minor road. I was going straight. I wasn't planning on stopping because I never know he was gonna turn. You feel me? And him just turned. I braked up. I had to literally swerve, and unfortunately the front of my car got hit. So the back of his car kind of hit my car, and even when he came out of the car, it was like, my girl, you almost passed me, and look how you mash up your car, and look how you this and look how you that, but not really accepting that he was wrong. Anyways, I was really calm. I called my boyfriend and he did come. Well, he never came on the spot, but he came directly to the police station I was going at. So yeah, that was a couple months ago, and it's been a long hella wait with the insurance company to get them to fix my damn car, but now my car is fixed. I'm so glad. When I went on the trip, I dropped my car off at my mechanic, and then when I came back I just picked it up. So I am so grateful, and even though I was in the accident, I feel like that made me even more grateful to have a car, because I was in an accident and one, nobody died or got hurt. I literally just got like a thump in the face. That's what my car did, look like you get a thump in the face. And by the way, a lot of people saw my car and they automatically assume that I hit a wall or I hit something. Them don't know, say me almost run up in a somebody door. Like I literally had to swing and try and keep the car under control while swinging out from him, and luckily nothing ever did come in the opposite direction. Anyways, my car is fixed, and as I was saying, I'm so grateful. Like, I'm just so grateful, guys. This is when I get a car, like, it look cool. It looks cool if you drive up and down, but every day you wanna leave out, whether I wanna drive or not, pray. Like, so many things can happen. I was so happy driving home. And then boom, accident out of nothing. But I'm glad my car is fixed and it looks good. It looks brand new. And yeah, I never told you guys, I never told a lot of persons really, because I was just like so pissed. And one thing with me, like, I like to take my time and process things. I know people don't understand my introverted ways because I can be very introverted, but I like to take my time and process things before I tell other people, and that's what I did. A lot of people still don't know, but now y'all know, right? But my car is fixed and I'm really happy about that. In the last 2 weeks I spent close to I'd say close to $500,000 from getting ready for the trip to fixing my car to buying the parts to getting it serviced. I spent a lot of money. Anyways, yeah, so I'm maintaining a low profile for now. I wanted to meet up with Tasha today, but honestly, when I did the mechanical, when I serviced my car, it's like it came up to more than I had budgeted for, and because the work was already done, I just kind of paid it, because I don't like, you know, balling on people price or owing people or doing none of that shit. So I just paid it and say, you know what, me and I can do something another time. And yeah, that's my life update. I really had fun on my trip to Miami. I can't wait to take more trips, by the way. And I'm just so happy and excited. I'm editing my vlog and I think I'm doing a pretty good job. The Miami vlog, that is, hopefully when I post it, you guys enjoy it. I'm at 500 subscribers. Thank you. But literally just remember that. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate every single one of you. To know that 500 people have subscribed to me, and 500 people, maybe not all at once, but have watched my video at some point, thank you. Like, seriously, thank you. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm just getting better I'm getting more confident at recording. I'm getting better at editing, and I'm just focused on better quality for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I'm going out and about. Not sure when that will be, maybe next weekend or maybe this week, because I'm not going to work 2 days this week, so maybe this week, maybe me and my boyfriend go to the beach. So if we do, you'll see that clip. And yeah, this is a long ass intro, but I just have to catching up on everything. After this clip, I'll show you guys clips of how the car looked after the accident, and also how it looks now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye guys.
Brand new, don't step on my beliefs. I'ma hit Diddy shit. They don't like how I talk that. Cut it out my wrist, a productivity. 42
I always give somebody a fake smile and then I'll wait for you with this. Put this on the show. This is a lovely basket. I gotta tell the girls it's a lovely basket. Things for bed, things for your face, your body, lotion, perfume, things for eat, things for drink, because a nice little lamp. I got a lamp in it, by the way. It's working perfectly and it's so pretty. I'm gonna take a picture.
I've been through some shit, man, but I be on my shit, man. I decided that what you give is what you're giving, so I've been trying to do it right. I've been doing like whatever gets me through the night. What a life. I'm steady, always on the go. You steady, always on the go. We steady losing all control. What a life. out, cause you, everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie.
I just know so I'm not gonna stay, but I just talk to one real quick. I need to get a stand for you guys. That should do. Hi vlog. So you guys saw me in Payless a while ago. I bought a new work shoes. You guys think you guys see, but I'm gonna show you again if you never see it. Honestly, I kind of feel like I'm gonna get sick. It's just a basic flats, yeah, with latex material. I bought it a size up because my experience with these shoes is that they do run a bit small. Now I'm going to pick up my package and then maybe I want to pick up my package and then head to an internet cafe to finish uploading my vlog because the internet at home is not working at all. I called Flow and they said it's an issue in my area. As you guys can see, my vlog is 50%. It's already uploaded by 50%, so I have 50 more to go. So I really want it to be up to date because I've been working on it for a very long time. And by the way, I think in the future I really need to get another device to hold on, let me take off another because I really feel like I'm getting sick. In the future I really need to get another device to edit my vlogs because my phone is just not cutting it anymore. Like, I don't have no storage for my phone at all. Never put a Panadol in this. Oh, I don't have no storage on my phone. None. I may have to delete TikTok. 2,000 pictures. 2,000. Like 2,000 pictures. Just to edit the vlog. Like, So in the future I have to try either getting another iPhone to edit on. That not really make no sense to get another phone. Maybe get, and it doesn't make any sense to get another tablet because I already have the Galaxy one that my boyfriend bought for me. So I think I'm gonna have to get a MacBook. So I'm going to take a Panadol. I have work tomorrow and I can't afford to be sick. Like, I just can't afford to be sick. Why is this so cush up? So I'm going to take this Panadol. Seems like one of the Panadol I'm broke into. By the way, this water bottle, I unboxed it in my Amazon storefront. I'll put the link below. So yeah guys, that's my day to meet my boyfriend on the road. Maybe we were talking when we were in Payless and he wanted an update as to where I was. So I believe that he wants to meet. So we'll see. I got this tasty cookies in my gift basket that I got from my workplace. I bought it on the road just to snack on. Tastes really good. My boyfriend bought over this box of Krispy Kreme's donut. We never get none of them here one time we did go Walmart. Hi vlog, so we're at Racers Grand Prix at the National Stadium. I haven't been to the National Stadium in years, but you know, I'm just checking in before I get inside, letting you guys know where I am at. So basically it's a track meet held by the Racers track club. So yeah, stay tuned.
Grandstand ticket?
Yes. To what?
Good to go.
Hi vlog. So today is Sunday and I'm on my way to Fort Clarence Beach in Portmore. I'm going to see my friend Krista. I haven't seen this girl in months and we had planned to go to the beach for a long time, and you know, things happen and it keep getting put off, but no, I'm finally going. Really excited. Check in when I get there. Okay, this is a fit. This is a crop top with a denim shorts. So I'll see you guys when I get there.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know what you feel. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can break you down. Oh, there are times when I fall short of what I say. What I say.
Oh, this is funny.
Oh, love, you're a positive, motivating force.